Welcome back to Amazing Top 5s. In this incredible video, we will look at the tallest mountains on each continent. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the legends, landscapes, and triumphs of these magnificent peaks. From the towering heights of the Himalayas to the rugged ranges of North America and beyond, this virtual expedition promises to take you on an epic adventure like no other. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of the tallest mountains on each continent. Number 1. Mount Everest, Asia. Our first destination is the mighty Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth. Located in the awe-inspiring Himalayas, Everest stands tall at an astonishing height of 29,032 feet, 8,848 meters. The Khumbu Valley serves as the gateway to this legendary mountain, enchanting explorers with its lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and the icy expanse of the Khumbu Glacier. The region is inhabited by the Sherpa people, renowned for their mountaineering expertise. As we delve into the foothills, we witness their vibrant culture, experiencing their warm hospitality and witnessing their deep spiritual connection to the mountains. Along the way, we encounter charming villages, monasteries steeped in tradition, and breathtaking vistas that leave us spellbound. Number 2. Aconcagua, South America. Our journey now takes us to South America, where we encounter the towering Aconcagua, the highest peak on the continent. Rising to an impressive altitude of 22,841 feet, 6,962 meters, Aconcagua proudly stands in the heart of the Andes Range. Our expedition leads us to Argentina's Mendoza province, a region known for its picturesque vineyards and stunning vistas. As we venture closer to Aconcagua, the surrounding landscapes captivate us with their stark beauty. Rugged canyons and towering rock formations dominate the scenery, while a diverse ecosystem thrives in the area. The mighty Andean condor soars through the sky, symbolizing the untamed spirit of this region. We'll also discover the rich cultural heritage of the local communities, as their stories and traditions intertwine with the magnificence of Aconcagua. Number 3. Denali, North America. Our journey now takes us to North America, where we encounter the majestic Denali, the highest peak on the continent. Rising impressively to a height of 20,310 feet, 6,190 meters, Denali stands as an icon in the Alaskan wilderness. Located in Denali National Park, this pristine landscape offers a true haven for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. The expedition into Denali's surroundings takes us through a mesmerizing landscape of untamed beauty. Sweeping tundra, crystal-clear rivers, and breathtaking glaciers captivate our senses. Denali is also home to a wide array of wildlife, including grizzly bears, moose, and the elegant Dall sheep. The indigenous Athabascan people have deep connections to the land, and their traditions and history add richness to this captivating region. Climbing Denali is no easy feat, as climbers face treacherous weather conditions and the challenge of acclimatizing to high altitudes. Throughout history, mountaineers have triumphed over adversity to conquer this mighty peak, leaving behind a legacy of perseverance and inspiration. Number 4. Kilimanjaro, Africa. Our next adventure takes us to the mesmerizing continent of Africa, where we'll conquer the legendary Mount Kilimanjaro. Soaring to a height of 19,341 feet, 5,895 meters, Kilimanjaro stands as the tallest mountain on the continent. Nestled in Tanzania, this iconic peak offers an incredible climbing experience. As we embark on our ascent, we traverse a diverse range of ecosystems, each with its unique beauty. From the dense rainforests teeming with life to the barren alpine deserts and the icy slopes near the summit, Kilimanjaro presents us with a kaleidoscope of natural wonders. Along the way, we encounter rare and endemic plant species, such as the delicate Kilimanjaro violet, and witness the graceful movements of wildlife in Kilimanjaro National Park. Our journey also introduces us to the vibrant culture of the region. The Maasai and Chaga tribes have thrived for centuries, living in harmony with the mountain and its surroundings. Their traditions, music, and art offer a glimpse into their rich heritage and the enduring spirit that permeates this captivating region. And as we stand on the roof of Africa, at Uhuru Peak, the golden rays of the sunrise paint a breathtaking panorama across the surrounding landscapes. Number 5, Mount Elbrus, Europe. Our fifth destination transports us to the enchanting landscapes of Europe, where we'll conquer Mount Elbrus, the highest peak on the continent. Nestled in the magnificent Caucasus Range, Mount Elbrus reaches an impressive height of 18,510 feet, 5,642 meters. This dormant volcano combines natural beauty with a rich history. The region surrounding Mount Elbrus is a picture-perfect mosaic of alpine meadows, crystal-clear lakes, and snow-capped peaks. Charming villages dot the landscape, offering a warm welcome to visitors. We'll immerse ourselves in the local culture, savoring traditional cuisine, and experiencing vibrant festivals that celebrate the heritage of the region. As we ascend Mount Elbrus, we are captivated by the breathtaking landscapes that unfold before us. Lush meadows, colorful wildflowers, and icy glaciers create a spectacle that defies words. And when we reach the summit, the panoramic views across the Russian wilderness serve as a testament to our triumph over the heights of Europe. Number 6, Mount Kosciuszko, Australia. Our journey now takes us to the continent of Australia, where we'll conquer Mount Kosciuszko, the highest peak on the mainland. Standing at an elevation of 7,310 feet, 2,228 meters, Mount Kosciuszko offers a unique and captivating experience. Located in the snowy mountains of New South Wales, Mount Kosciuszko presents us with breathtaking alpine scenery and diverse ecosystems. The surrounding landscapes showcase picturesque alpine meadows, glistening lakes, and pristine wilderness. Exploring the area, we'll encounter unique flora and fauna, including the colorful wildflowers that bloom during the summer months. Number 7, Mount Vinson, Antarctica. Our final conquest takes us to the icy and remote continent of Antarctica, where we'll tackle the formidable Mount Vinson, the highest peak in this frozen land. Towering at an elevation of 16,050 feet, 4,892 meters, Mount Vinson presents an extreme and awe-inspiring challenge. As we embark on our expedition, we are greeted by a breathtaking landscape of ice and snow. The pristine beauty of the Antarctic Peninsula surrounds us, with towering glaciers and ice formations that create a surreal and ethereal atmosphere. The journey to Mount Vinson requires exceptional mountaineering skills and perseverance, as we navigate through the frigid temperatures and unpredictable weather conditions. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. We've embarked on an unforgettable journey to conquer the tallest mountains on each continent. From the mighty Everest to the majestic Kilimanjaro and beyond, these peaks have tested the limits of human endurance and rewarded climbers with unparalleled views and a profound sense of achievement. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual adventure with amazing top 5s. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming top 5s.